Did you know that in 2016, when I was writing my master's degree program, I was trying to implement a code for my project, but the code refused to work. I stayed up to 2 good weeks trying to figure out how to fix this code. One day, I watched a video concerning that on YouTube. I quickly rushed to my laptop to try the code just one more time. While the laptop is hanging on a couch, to my greatest surprise, the code worked. Out of excitement, I jumped up from the place where I was sitting and mistakenly pushed down my laptop. Guess what? My hard disk crashed. Everything in that laptop were lost. Glory to God, my supervisor is a tech-savvy professor. We have been using email to communicate throughout my project writing process. This means that my entire written project is stored in the cloud. Today, I am sharing with you 3 free cloud storage options that you can use to access your file from anywhere so that you don't experience what happened to me. Whether you are a student, a teacher, or a researcher, this tool is here for you to improve and organize your productivity. Hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu and I do videos around educational technology and digital tools for business. If this is the kind of video you would like to see in the future, please consider subscribing. Remember to turn on the notification button so that YouTube will notify you immediately I upload new videos. Let me also inform you that I have an online course that teaches how to write your projects or academic research using the assistance of artificial intelligence. The link is in the description box below. If you are ready, let's dive in. Turning on to my computer, the very first one we are going to look at is Microsoft. Microsoft has an online storage tool known as Microsoft OneDrive. You can access it through this link. I will also put the link in the description box below. With Microsoft OneDrive, you can store your files, whether it is media, like in audio, image, or video. You can also store your text-based files, like your Word document, PDF, or even worksheets from Microsoft Excel. All these things, you can do them with Microsoft OneDrive. All you are required to do is to create an email address from Microsoft, something like Hotmail or LiveMail. Then looking at the price for Microsoft OneDrive, because it's not only for free, you can pay $19.99 per year. This will give you 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. You can as well pay $69.99 per year. So this one will give you 1 terabyte. So we'll have Microsoft 365 family plan here. Meanwhile, if you just want to use it for free, you can use Microsoft 365 free, and it will give you 5 gigabytes cloud storage. You don't need to pay anything. So that is it for Microsoft OneDrive. Let us move for the next one. The next one we are going to look at is Mega. Mega is another good cloud storage software. You can see it from their website. You can use Mega storage tool to store your file, and it is very, very fantastic because of the size of file you can use with Mega. Now let us look at the pricing for Mega software. Looking at the pricing here, you can see that it is showing this price in my local currency, that is Naira. You have it 8,244.31 Naira per year. So for this, you will get 400 gigabytes of storage, and you can also do 12 terabytes of file transfer. This particular one is for Pro Lite. We also have Pro 1, Pro 2, Pro 3. You can see as the Pro goes up, the price also increases. One good thing with Mega is that you can have up to 20 gigabyte storage for free. And you can see it is free here, 0 Naira forever. You don't need to pay anything. That is what you can get with Mega. Unlike Microsoft OneDrive, that will give you only 5 gigabytes for free. So Mega will give you 20 GB. Now let us go on to the next one. The next free storage device we are going to look at is no other one than Google. Google Drive I will also put the link in the description box below. Google Drive is a good cloud storage tool, and you do not need to sign up if you already have Gmail. Virtually everybody who uses email has a Gmail. So with your Gmail, you can have access to your Google Drive. So if you want to do that, all you need to do is to type drive.google.com. And now let us look at the pricing of Google Drive. So from here, you can see that Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes per user, 15 secure cloud storage per user. So if you now want to pay $12 per month, that will give you 2 terabytes per user. So let me know in the comment section if you prefer to use Microsoft OneDrive or Mega or Google Drive. Remember the plans each of them has. I hope this video was helpful. Let me hear your opinion in the comment section below. I also did a video on how to use Google Drive. The link is in the description box below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Also like and share the video with your loved ones. Until next time, keep learning.